As companies are taking the journey into the cloud, automation of business processes is becoming a necessity to lower costs and increase efficiency. Microsoft Power Platform is a popular choice for this type of business automation and collaboration for a wide range of scenarios. But what about those processes that involve looking up records in SAP or when you need to post something back? For example, the management of SAP material master data. This has typically remained a manual step in an otherwise automated process. Enter yunIO. yunIO is the no-code solution for enabling SAP data integration into your everyday business processes. Integration with the Microsoft Power Platform is made possible with a custom connector in Power Apps or Power Automate. It is then possible to read directly from SAP tables to populate fields in a Power App, or invoke a function module in a Power Automate flow. This allows for SAP read and write access into your flows. Nearly all SAP versions are supported, including all SAP modules, meaning yunIO can support a wide range of scenarios. Because of this approach, you can very easily integrate SAP actions in all kinds of Power Apps and Power Automate flows. All of this is done completely no code, without any SAP add-ons or the use of SAP GUI.